Most people get this wrong. They assume every savings account that offers easy setup and free access is automatically a great deal. But the biggest mistake you need to avoid is ignoring what actually matters, like interest rates, access rules, and hidden limitations. In this video, we are breaking down the Credit Karma savings account in 2026 and answering the real question. Is it actually worth it or just another basic online savings option? Let's start with what it is. The Credit Karma savings account is a high-yield savings option offered through Credit Karma's platform. It is designed to help users earn interest on their cash while keeping money easily accessible. Now here's where it gets interesting. Credit Karma itself does not operate like a traditional bank. It partners with other financial institutions to provide savings services, which means your money is actually held by a partner bank. So let's break this down step by step. First, interest rates. In 2026, high-yield savings accounts like this typically offer competitive rates compared to traditional banks. That means your money can grow faster than a regular savings account at a big brick-and-mortar bank. But here's the problem most beginners don't notice. Rates can change at any time. So what looks attractive today may not stay the same forever. Now let's talk about accessibility. For someone like Alex who wants simple savings without complicated rules, Credit Karma Savings is easy to use. You can manage everything inside the app, which makes it beginner-friendly. But there is a trade-off. Because it is app-based, you may not get all the advanced banking features you would find in a full-service bank like Chase or Bank of America. Now let's talk about safety. Your funds are typically FDIC insured through partner banks, which means your money is protected up to standard limits. This is important because it ensures your savings are not at risk just because it is an online platform. In a minute, I'll show you the real deciding factor that tells you whether this account is actually better than your current savings setup. Now let's talk about withdrawals and flexibility. You can usually transfer money in and out fairly easily, but processing times may vary depending on the linked bank account. So is it worth it? If your goal is simple savings with a competitive interest rate and easy mobile access, then yes, it can be worth it. But if you want advanced banking features or full financial tools, it may feel limited. Let's make it simple. Credit Karma Savings Account in 2026 is best for beginners who want a simple way to earn interest on their money without dealing with traditional bank complexity. Let's summarize everything clearly. It offers competitive interest rates, easy mobile access, and basic savings functionality, but it is not a full replacement for a traditional bank account. If this helped you understand whether it is worth it, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple finance breakdowns like this.